Welcome to my YouTube channel, Code with Muzammil. My name is Muzammil Abbas and I am a professional web developer.
Today we will learn how to create and style radio buttons. This is the layout we will work today, and you will learn a technique how to style the radio buttons according to your design. Let's start. Let's start with the HTML structure. First of all, we will write some HTML. Here I have a shorthand for HTML5 snippet. This will create our, and here is the live server. First, you can see the view. Let's start. First of all, we will create our div. Name radio group, and then we will create a label with a class name radio group label, and we will remove the 4 attributes. And inside of the label we will write input with a class name of radio group input. Here we will type the give the type of radio and give the name, you can name it option. And after that we will need a text for it, and we will write a span tag with a class name radio group text. And here we write warm. Just a dummy text. Okay, we will copy this layout so you can see here we will write same thing and just update the text here. Right. And you can see this is the view yours. You can see, and these are radio buttons. Now we will style it using CSS, and we will write our CSS in the CSS file. Here, let's start with the styling of it. First of all, we will fix some box sizing. Then we'll write a margin 0, background 148, 223, 237. Okay. And this will compile in the app.css file. Let me include this file as well. Okay. And here we will import this file. After linking the CSS file, you can see the CSS applied. So we will write some more CSS. Display flag. This style is for layouting to make the middle box center align horizontally and vertically. So you can write in the first go, or you can just forward it to see the next, and then you can write this file. This is just for centering the view. Now we will write a regular group box styling. Max width to 300 pixels and contract pattern. For schedule will be 2 pixels, 15 pixels, 44, 140, 157. Let's check the layout. This is the this is the appearance till now. Font weight like 600 and little lighter than the parent background. As you can see. And after that, we will write a label property so that we will make them into lines. So first of all, I will give them display block and use some padding, pixel 30 pixels, and after that, to give some position relative for styling. I'll show you first pointer so that you can know that this is clickable thing, and after that I will add some hover effect, a little bit lighter background on hover RGB 188 to 38 to 47. Yeah, you can see this is a hover effect now. Now we'll write some code for text. Okay. All right, all right, code for it. We'll give a content of empty where 10 pixels, height 100%. It will give the height of the label and will increase if the text increases. Position absolute. So 0, let's put 0. Background RGB 39. Point to see a little darker, much darker. Border top right, radius, we'll go 10 pixels. Border bottom right radius also 10 pixels, and you can see here it is. And after that we will add a before character, and so you will copy this one, put it after, and it will go like this, like width and height. Remove it and give it a top 50% and left 10 pixels. And position attribute. So we'll remove this one and margin to -10 pixels. and give here to 0, height to 0, and also give remove this background and give border top to 10 pixels, solid transparent, border bottom 10 pixels, solid transparent, border left 10 pixels, solid RGB 39, the same color as this one. So we'll copy paste it. You can see here. Then carrot appears after that. Now you can see this style appearing on both labels and for both radio buttons. Now we will handle for check condition of the radio button. So let's see. Let's check this out. We'll give input. Here we are accessing the input property with the type of radio. First of all, we have to remove these default radio button. So we'll give the display none. You can see this. And after that, I will give the check condition. Let's start from here. You can see now we have to show one this at the one time when it is checked. So one border for one check condition. So first of all, we will give us some position to it. And position. We will transform property 0.2 seconds is in half 0 seconds. You can see it will disappear and copy paste it. And it will also disappear. The carrot also disappear. Now we will, you can see this is all. We will handle the checked condition to show only the left border for checked radio button. So here we will write checked. And you can see here in HTML, you can see here it is the input field. We have given the style for display none. But in HTML structure in DOM, the span appears after the input. So we can access this one which appeared after the input field and style it according to the checked condition of the radio button. So here is a plus. Plus means the next element appears in the DOM after input field. So let's see, span, I'll give it a radio, group, text, and I will be styling the before and after. So I will transform translate x to 0, so its initial condition, initial state. Like this. Now, let's see what happens. So yeah, you can see now this is working. So if you have question about this, comment down. I will answer you, and If you have a different layout for radio buttons and you are having a difficulty to achieve it, you can also comment under the video, and I will get back to you soon. Thanks. Do subscribe and like my video and channel. Thanks.